definitely do it. Just do it. Just take it. In person is really the best way to learn, hands-on. I've done both. This is my third in-person class. I took an online herb class. It's just not the same. You just don't get the same thing out of an online course. It's good, but it's just, you get so much more than you think you would if you do it hands-on. You retain the information better. By doing the projects yourself, you retain all of that so much more than you would just following a recipe in a book. So I say definitely, if you're on the fence, do it hands down. Paula's the best teacher for that. Class we did today was making mustard, which I thought was really cool. The concept of bringing more herbs into like a culinary experience, into everyday like usage, instead of having to make something in particular, like a particular medicine. I thought it was just kind of cool. You can just add in, drink some herbal tea, eat some herbal mustard. So that was really fun. I liked the beauty powder that we made, the facial cleaner. I thought that was really fun. I just like the hands-on experience with everybody as a group. I think that's what I got mostly out of it. Wasn't just one thing in particular, it was the whole thing, and sharing it together and learning from each other. And Paula is such a great teacher, and she's really supportive of guiding you through all of the work, the homework, and the experiments, because it can feel overwhelming, but when you're doing it in person, it was really a supportive environment, and it was great.